In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to send visitors from your website to another page, an external website, or any specific destination, adding a link is a quick and useful way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the link option inside Hostinger Website Builder and how to save it properly so it appears on your site. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage your site settings and content. From there, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site, layout, pages, and navigation. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing options clearly. Once you're in the editor, click Pages. This section lets you manage the pages and navigation items that appear on your website. If you're trying to add a direct link to your menu instead of creating a brand new page, this is the section you'll need. At the bottom of the Pages panel, click Add Link. This option allows you to create a navigation item that points somewhere else instead of building a regular page within your website. It's especially helpful if you want your menu to lead to an outside site, a booking page, a document, or another online resource. After clicking Add Link, paste your link into the appropriate field. Make sure the link is complete and correct, so visitors are sent to the right destination. It's always a good idea to double-check the URL before saving, especially if you copied it from somewhere else. Next, select Link To. This step tells Hostinger where that menu item should point. Choosing the correct destination type is important because it ensures the link works the way you expect when someone clicks it on your website. Once everything looks right, click Save. This confirms the new link and adds it to your website navigation. After saving, you may want to preview your site and test the link yourself to make sure it opens correctly and leads to the intended page. And that's it. That's how to add a link in Hostinger Website Builder. It's a simple feature, but it can make your site much more useful and easier to navigate.